Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Thanks for being here on Realize Guyana, home of all the traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a chutney for doubles. As you know, we have our doubles recipe up and we use the tamarind chutney for that doubles. And this is a recipe for it. We wanted to show you guys how it's made because this is one of the popular toppings that goes with doubles, along with your cucumber chutney as well. So we're going to be doing the recipe for this today, showing you guys how to do that. So we have our tamarinds there. We have some onion, garlic, pepper, scallion, sugar, and some salt. And that's what we're going to be needing for this yummy tamarind sauce recipe for doubles. So let's get started, guys. So we're gonna chop all our seasonings in this little mini chopper we have. So use how much pepper you're comfortable with, my friends. As you know, in our recipes, pepper is always optional. So we're gonna add a little water there to help our chopper. So of course you're gonna need some ripe tamarind for this recipe. So we're gonna go peel our tamarind now, guys. So you can imagine what this tastes like already, right? So you can remember having the green ones of these with pepper and salt. Growing up, all of this was popular things back in the day, in childhood days. So once you peel your tamarind, guys, you're gonna pull out a vein like this, and from the tip at the top, you can just pull the whole thing out like that. See? Very easy. So as I said, the two popular sauces that go with your doubles is the tamarind sauce and the cucumber sauce. So we have put 1.5 cup of water to heat up here, my friends, for our tamarind sauce. So our water has come to a boil, my friends. We're gonna add our peeled tamarind there. So once you've added your tamarind to your boiling water, you want to let your tamarind boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna let it boil now. So it's about 12 minutes for our tamarind boiling. So we're gonna start mashing it with our potato masher. So now you all know how to make your own doubles, assemble the sauce and everything. Invite your friends over and make some doubles. I bet they'll be happy guests. I'm pretty sure some of you watching this tamarind here dribbling right now, right? I know. So this is our seasonings that we chopped. So we're gonna add that to our tamarind now. So we all know the name is tamarind, right? But we say tamarind in Guyana. salt, that's the salt. And sugar. And that's it, guys. This sauce goes so good with your doubles. And that's all about it to your tamarind sauce. See that? Looks gorgeous. Color is nice. So that's it for this video, guys. As I said, this tamarind sauce goes with your doubles. We have the doubles on our channel as well. I'll link it above this video. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we make new posts. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.